recording. What's up, guys? This is Mini Chat here, and today we're playing Do Not Press the Button, and I'm supposed to survive right now. And he's gonna die. Midnight Whitey. No! What? You have to be kidding me! Ah! Bad luck. I have terrible luck. Just shush! Anyway, I'm playing with the person who always wanted to make a YouTube video with me. A piece of fried chicken.
Chicken or fried?
It's right there. I'm trying to throw a smoke at him. Hey! Hey! What up?
Oh.
And I'm playing with Flash Boy. He's super fast. Look at him. He's faster than me. He's faster than me. Look at him. And then there's this random.
Oh my god.
And then random dude. Like YT, he has another channel but no videos.
No,
he hasn't said like.
Tina plays.
And then we're playing. Oh, you gotta be kidding me!
Flip.
And then, oh, well, we don't have Mr. Lucky anymore. So bye, Mr. Luck. He's gone. What? Flash Boy. Flash Boy, you cheat! You cheated, didn't you? This is the first time. Oh, and I have 700 coins. Do it. Oh, I have to tell him that I am making it again because the other one was too long. Shoot! No! Why? Oh, no. Yo. This is no way. No way. Yes, I made it! Finally, for the first time. See ya. Oh wait, that was a little bit of a lag. No. I like trains. And click. Hopefully it's not the red. Please don't kill me. Please. For the third. No way. Yes, I survived. I'm turning into Flash Boy. Yep. Wait, where is he? Where? Oh, there he is. Hi, Flash Boy. Bye, Flash Boy. No, what? I was in that corner and then it disappeared in 3 seconds. What?
Wait.
Yeah. I'm going to post a video. I might put. Oh no, actually, nah, not doing it. You might not be able to hear Flash Boy. No, why? I have a sad life. Sad life. No way. Shoot, no! I'm supposed to be the pro at that. I'm playing the piano. Wait, let's see what he said. Yeah. Okay. No, I'm going to eat my cookie. I'm so sad. I'm going to be in the naughty corner, mommy. Yum. Yeah, he dare. Yeah, he dare. He's probably not gonna know what I'm saying. If you can't hear me clicking this, I'll click it louder. Oh, 153. It won't say the real person. Oh well. Well, it's... Ooh, Midnight YT left. We might just do one more game. Wait, what? What? Yes! Poop! Poop time! Poop time! Yay! Wait, let's see if I can survive. You have to survive the poop. You have to survive the poop. Now jump, jump, no. Yes, did I survive? No way. I survived. No way. No, you gotta be kidding me. Oh. Anyway, I have no idea how long that was. I'll be right back. Okay, I just checked it and it was 6 minutes only. You guys would already know, so. Hey, don't judge me. Don't judge me. Don't move. Don't move. Because I'll show you what happens. You die. And look at that. You die. That is the strangest button I have ever seen. Please take us to space. No. Anyway, I'm a pro at this. I should be a pro at this time. You stand still, you die. You stand still, you die. That's why I never stand still. Always be active during COVID, which I'm not, since I'm showing you since I'm on YouTube right now. Anyway, also if you're thinking this is live, it's not live, okay? This is not live. I'm not live streaming. Once I get quite a few subscribers, then I'll go live streaming, because then I'll see a bunch of comments. Shoot, it's on the other side now. No, I died. My head, I'm too tall. For once, being tall is a bad thing. I'm so much taller than you. Have a look at it. Shoot! I'm gonna die. Shoot! No! No! I almost jumped onto there. You gotta be kidding me. I might as well drink hot sauce. Dance party time! Let's just sit down here. We're on fire! No one made it. Oh shoot! Oh, I thought I died. Wait. Don't. Hopefully you don't get dizzy. Oh no! Not again! I'm a fire in my legs are burned. Did it say that? That's what I heard. Push it out of existence. Push it. Push it. Push it. Push it. Push it out of existence. 7. Oh wait, last time we did with one. He sacrificed his life to save us. We will never forget him. Hey. Does this guy have Robux? Does this piece of fried chicken have Robux? I didn't know he had Robux. This hot sauce. Hot sauce. Get from the shop. And hey, at least you can get something from the shop for free. It's not for free. Anyway, wait, can I trick him? Jump. And what do you mean? No. Wait, what? I'm so confused. I lagged for a little bit. What? This is laggy. This is making my computer laggy. Wait. if you guys didn't know this command, you can do /E space dance. Oh shoot. Dance. Bang. And then now I'm dancing, bro. And speak oil time. Where is it? No, the cake is a lie. The cake is a lie. How did you? Okay, I think final series of events. 1. And he's dead. He's dead. 2. What? No, tornado! Run! Oh shoot! You can almost not see it. It's like that. Oh no, you can't see it anymore. No, the glitch, the glitch, the glitch. Reset. Yes, reset. Let's see what the time is. 11. Okay. Okay, we only got. I'll show you guys what happens if you go too far. For the what? Wait, what? I didn't know this place had an end. Oh shoot! No, I didn't make it. Oh, I have 800. Maybe I might get something from the shop. Item shop. Throwing spork. Already have a fun finger. No. Ooh, hot chocolate. No. Whoopee cushion. What do you mean Tigers and Eagles? I don't watch footy. Oh, so gross. What? You gotta be kidding me. I didn't even say that. Ooh, wait. I didn't know you actually have to. Wait, step on that, step on that, step on that, step on that, Steph. Ha! Oh, run from it, run from it. Whoopee cushion! That's a lot of damage. Wait, come on. Hello? 1. Let's see. No way! Oh, front cover, my best side. Oh my god! Look, I just blocked him. Oh my god! Oh my god! Just thing I've ever seen in my life. It's a banana. There's a banana. No. Shoot! The trains! Okay, that'll be it for today, guys. They're gonna go in their own meets, Mr. Lock. And we'll see you next time. Peace!